In this video, I will explain some more advanced features related to object selections. This video builds upon the concepts from the first video, so you should watch that one first. You can hold down the Shift key while right-clicking to add objects to or remove them from the selection. You can press the A key with no object selected to select all objects. If the selection is not empty, then the A key will empty the selection. You can invert the selection by pressing ctrl-I. Press the B key and then drag with the left mouse button to box select objects. Press B twice and then drag with the left mouse button to circle select objects. In box or circle select mode, you can use the middle mouse button instead to remove objects from the selection. If you need to find a particular object, you can press ctrl-F to open the Find Object dialog. In this field, you can type an object name or a class name. You can select multiple objects by holding Shift. When you start to get a lot of objects on your map, the screen can get quite cluttered and you might need some tools to help you distinguish between them. If we go to the demo map, you will see one example of this. In this case, it can be helpful to filter out objects that are too far away. To do this, enable limit selectability and then type a suitable maximum distance in game units. This number does not correspond to anything in particular, but you will figure it out. Objects that are further away than the limit are now filtered out of the view and you cannot select them. This also affects the A key, the box select modes and ctrl-I. There is also a more powerful tool called object groups, but I will cover this in a separate video. You can also show or hide the surface of the map by pressing H. Here is a list of the keys introduced in this video. I will put it in the video description.